Sometimes we want to register dependencies for a particular module only when it is in use. If that module is not in use, we no longer want to keep dependencies associated with that module in the memory. To achieve this, what you can do, you can take help of scope. To register a scope, you need to use get it I push new scope, and to the init you need to provide a closure. It is not required to pass the closure to the init property, but it is always a best practice to provide a closure, because inside this closure you can register all the dependencies which are required by that module. So here I'm going to register A and B as a dependency. Also, you need to pass scope name. Here I'm going to pass name some module, right? To remove that scope, you need to use get it I pop scope. This pop scope method is basically a feature because it will take some time to remove all the dependencies which are associated with that scope from the memory. So let me run this application. So while this application is running, let me show you the code. So I have the second page, I have the first page, and also I have the home page here. So let's go to the module. So we are getting the instance numbers here for A and B, and let's go to the next page. So we are getting same instance numbers here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.